change law.
My lord, then liberty may be given to me, my lord, if they initiate any. Oblige.
But this is the nursing bunch, my lord. My lord, I was requesting your lordships, my lord, to kindly consider the IA moved in 23.19, my lord, which was shown to your lordships on the last day also, my lord. My lord, what has happened is, my lord, while the process of inspection of nursing colleges is going on, my lord, by an interim order, my lord, the examinations of the past years, my lord, 19, 20, 21, 22, my lord, have been stopped by interim orders of this honorable court, my lord. My lord, whatever will happen, my lord.
My lord, before the arguments are advanced, my lord, I have a humble prayer. One of the parties that approached the Honorable Supreme Court for getting these examinations done, my lord, I've got a video recording. Kindly give me 2 days time. I'll secure that order where the Honorable Supreme Court has refused that we won't permit that, my lord. Now, what they are wanting is, my lord, they want examinations to be held of colleges which had no affiliation, colleges which had more than 2,000 guest faculties, which is prohibited, my lord, migrant faculties, which are prohibited. More than 1,600 duplicate faculties, my lord, within the state itself, my lord. Now the reports are there. My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. I am for the petitioner. Now, my lord, recently, my lord, one of the parties, my lord, recently in the morning, I've got a recording, my lord, that the examination should be permitted. In June, they went and it was refused by the Honorable Supreme Court. Bench comprise. I'll do that.
Order, Lord, I shown to your lordships. That is annexed with IA number 11911 of 23, my lord. बाबू साहब थोड़ा आइए दीजिए.
No, it was
today. I have received long ago, my lord.
Three judges.
In which there was an observation of 3 months.
Three judges bench, my lord.
Honorable Justice
Sanjay Kishan call. He refused, my lord, that he won't entertain that prayer because all hanky-pankies are going on, my lord. Now, recently, my lord, on 9/19, my lord, the Executive Council met, my lord. I'll read. उपरोक्त विषयांतर्गत लेख है कि प्रशासक मध्य प्रदेश सोएंसो के उपरोक्त संदर्भित पत्र के दिनांक सोएंसो की दोषी संस्थाओं पर कार्रवाई हेतु पत्र लिखा गया था, परंतु आज दिनांक तक उत्तर आपकी ओर से अप्राप्त है। उक्त स्थिति में पुनः आपको सूचित किया जा रहा है कि नर्सिंग मान्यता नियम 18 और संशोधित नियम 2020 के विरुद्ध जाकर माइग्रेंट फैकल्टी के नाम से कूट रचित दस्तावेजों के आधार पर 284 कॉलेजेस के पूर्व प्रशासक द्वारा सत्र 22-23 में 284 कॉलेज को मान्यता प्रदान किया गया था एवं सत्र 21-22 में 227 नर्सिंग कॉलेज को डुप्लीकेट फैकल्टी के उपयोग के बाद भी मान्यता दिया गया था। Now, these are the colleges who are approaching, my lord. There were no, till January, my lord, they gave affiliations. In February, they wanted to conduct examinations. Where are the studies? Where are the curriculums? My lord, these students would be nurses who would go and, my lord, who are supposed to save the lives. Without studies, my lord. January, they gave affiliation on retrospective affiliation as it is, my lord, illegal. They gave that retrospective for 2 years, which already stood wasted. And what they say is, my lord, Chhatra Hit mein, because the college has admitted those students without affiliation. So Chhatra Hit is coming and they are permitting those students who entered into a college which had no affiliation at all. And now they want today, my lord, that these students should be given a permission. And what about these, my lord, migrants? And this is recent, 19-2023.
CBI.
I am for the CBI. For few colleges, my lord, we have conducted inspection, my lord. Yes, my lord. My lord, I have filed an application for providing some additional manpower, my lord. We are facing constraints, my lord. My IA is 1304023, my lord. That may kindly be considered. We will, in normal course, well, state government. They have, yes, well, yes, well. Well, 4 months, we have earlier stated that within 4 months we will complete one. About 1 month back, Malak. No, Malak. We have 140 colleges we have done earlier. 169 was left. That has come in the. No, Malak. That my application is pending before your lordship, Malak. No, Malak. We have just requested, Malak. So
Milord, can I give the relevant facts, Milord? About CBI only, Milord. Milord.
They should, Milord. And they should also go for these migrant faculties, Milord. Milord, I quite agree with you. Now, this is one part of it, Milord. No, Milord, I don't say so, Milord. It is for Milord. There's one more thing, Milord. They are not doing it on two other aspects regarding migrant faculty, which has already come. The Director Medical Education says cover that also, Milord.
The problem is this, that CBI is going door to door. So the manner in which they projected that this is the college, again they are projecting the same college before the CBI. Whereas CBI has to investigate the fact that whether the college really existed or not. I can show n number of rooms just when I come to know that CBI is coming. So I'll again set up the entire fake thing. And then they are not, last time CBI officer was. No, that's not the issue.
Okay.
But the last time when the CBI officer was there.
No.
Last time CBI officer was there, I asked him that whether you have investigated about the duplicacy of the faculty. No investigation. Yes. No issue.
Well, I'll have to submit.
So, Milord, that is how it has to go. That is how it has to go, Milord. The CBI has to conduct investigation in all the aspects, Milord, including the admitted aspect that the DME says, Director Medical Education says, 284 colleges on migrant faculties illegally granted. 227, and now there are colleges, Milord, who are running 8 to 9 courses with 4 rooms, including nursing, BSc, every course they are running in 5 rooms, Milord. That is also there.
Yes.
Entire list done, Milord. Whosoever is honest, Milord, he should be given that permission to run the college. I don't deny that, Milord. But whosoever is culprit, whosoever is playing with lives of people, Milord, because these are nursing colleges, the nurses tomorrow would go and work in a hospital and mess up with human lives, Milord. Milord, all the colleges should be probed into, Milord. That my lord, our endeavor is, my lord, that the colleges which are fulfilling the norms should get through, and they should not be harassed at the same time.
My lord,
That is also our endeavor also, my lord.
I am exactly on
But
that
at the
point.
same time,
Lordship may kindly come to order of 27 July
my lord,
23, my
he's
lord, filed
jumping
in
too
this
soon,
IA.
my lord. He's trying to jump too soon. I'll demonstrate that how he also does fit in those.
My lord, half
That jump.
facts are being shown.
No, my lord.
Let me, my lord, I'm showing that stage, my lord. My lord, in this IA 11911, there is annexure 11 at page 53, the interim detailed order of 27 July 23. CBI filed its report, my lord, regarding 140 colleges inspection done. My friend is right, my lord, those who are clear should be allowed. I am taking that forward, my lord. What is recorded in page 2 of that order, please see chart, my lord. Order of 27 July. Please see the chart. Category 1, 2, 3, 4. Total colleges inspected, my lord, 8, 40, 30 and 60 to 140. And number of the colleges found suitable, 75. Why should, my lord, these 75 be strangulated now, my lord? My friend is correct. Those who have been cleared. Now, this is one category of 75, my lord, already cleared by CBI. Now, second category is, my lord, in which Supreme Court has stayed CBI inquiry. Previous page, my lord, page 52. Just see the previous page Supreme Court order, my lord. My lord, I was showing page 54, the chart, my lord. And please see the previous page, my lord. Page 51, SLP order of October 22, my lord. I am just reading at page 52, my lord. Last para, my lord. CBI inquiry insofar as colleges cleared by the committee. My lord, what had happened was, this honorable court constituted its own committee. The matter was taken to Supreme Court. Nursing Council said that we have a statutory committee. Let that committee do the inspection. Supreme Court directed that the committee, my lord, 10-member committee under the rules would inspect. So they inspected and they cleared these colleges. Now, once these colleges are cleared, so 75 colleges cleared by CBI, number one. Supreme Court grants stay, my lord, for 201 colleges because they have already been inspected by the statutory 10-member committee. So there is no CBI inquiry against this. This is continuing, my lord. No, not that committee. My lord, what happened was, initially this honorable court constituted its own committee, including a lawyer and those things, my lord. That matter, when it was at Gwalior, went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court initially stayed that order. Then Supreme Court said, my lord, on the request of Nursing Council, that there is a statutory committee under the rules. It's a 10-member committee. So Supreme Court directed that these colleges should be inspected by that 10-member committee under the rules. So that committee has cleared these 70 number of colleges, my lord. So this Supreme Court said, apart from, my lord, 201 colleges, which is recorded, my lord, in respect of those colleges, my lord, CBI inquiry has been stayed because they have been inspected by the statutory committee. So my submission here is, my lord, CBI clears 75 colleges. The statutory committee, my lord, as per the directions of Supreme Court, no, CBI has cleared, which is recorded on the next page, my lord, the order of 27 July 23, my lord.
Yeah.
I was page 54, my lord. Please see the chart, my lord. Category, number of colleges inspected, number of colleges found suitable. So these 75 colleges, my lord, including, my lord, 4 out of 8 government colleges. So 50% of the government colleges have not been cleared by CBI also, my lord.
Now these.
Now, no, my lord, I'm
Clear.
Yes.
my lord,
Yes,
the,
my lord,
the
exactly.
committee, no, no.
There's one more thing, my lord.
Lord,
That was only in
committee
respect
against-
to infrastructure.
Lord,
What about migrant faculties?
One order.
What about
Lord, what is
duplicate
migrant
faculties?
faculty, my
My
lord?
lord, this
One,
very college falls prey to duplicate faculty.
Wait,
is
Yes.
CBI, not committee,
No.
CBI, my lord.
no,
Just see the previous page, my lord. Just see the previous page, my lord.
they went to Supreme Court to install
that.
My lord,
prevent
just
CBI
see the
file.
previous page. Order, my lord, at the outset, Shri Purohit has produced a sealed envelope containing 2 sets of inspection reports. The envelope was unfolded in the court. Report has been perused. As per this report, so far as 140 nursing colleges in 4 categories mentioned below have been inspected. This is CBI, my
no.
lord. This is CBI. My friend is, my lord, misleading.
We would not never.
Now,
do so.
Supreme Court order, my lord, talks of, my lord, in the first place, I'll show that order, my lord. In the first place, my lord, this honorable court constituted its own committee of lawyer and these things, my lord. Supreme Court set aside that order. And that is also on record, my lord. I'll just show this in this bunch only, my lord. That is what is recorded in the Supreme Court order, my lord. They inspected 271. Out of them, my lord, 70 were not cleared. So this is the statutory committee. In respect of them, my lord, para above, my lord. Para above that. 271 were inspected. 70 were not cleared. So this is the statutory committee. In respect of them,
My lord, it's 270, 201 were cleared, my lord, second paragraph. According to the report submitted by the committee, 201 colleges, including colleges run by the present petitioners, before this court were cleared.
the same para, my lord.
while
Same para.
70 colleges
My lord,
were
out of
not cleared.
271, 201 cleared,
Paragraph
70 were not cleared. And regarding those yes,
That is-
CBI inquiry regarding these 271, because the statutory 10-member committee has already done that. So there is no, the operation of order, my lord, directing CBI inquiry, my lord. My lord, the order which is stayed, my lord, 27 and 28/9/22 is CBI inquiry order, my lord. My lord, what is stayed is 27th August and 28th September order, my lord. 27. Yes, my lord. I'll read that, my lord. Second para onwards. According to the report submitted, last para. Pending further consideration, the effect and operation of the judgment and the order dated 27/9 and 28/9. These are CBI direction inquiry orders, my lord. In WP so and so and 27/9 and 28/9 in WP are presently under challenge and other connected matters insofar as the colleges cleared by the committee shall remain state. So by these 2 impugned orders, CBI inquiry was directed against all the colleges, my lord. CBI inquiry has been stayed. CBI inquiry has been stayed. My lord, please see that order which I have filed, my lord. My lord,
They have misled the,
my lord, again,
to show that they
My
have
lord,
misled
on-
the Honorable Supreme Court also, and there is an order sheet of our own High Court 27/7/2022 where we have assailed that committee's report, and court has found that there is anomaly in that, and they were directed to file affidavit.
Road
Yes.
has been state. That was
They have
My lord, not the-
no,
my lord,
no,
highly
no,
the
appreciate, my
colleges
lord,
have
kindly.
investigated.
they were inspected
Lordship
on
would see-
infrastructure only.
Lordship would see what is the order of 27/9 and 28/9, my lord.
My lord, what do they have an answer?
These 2 orders directed CBI inquiry against all. When that matter was challenged before Supreme Court initially stayed the committee order. Then Supreme Court constituted that statutory committee. When that report came before the committee, Supreme Court by this order said that since these colleges are cleared, CBI inquiry against them, against the impugned order of 27 and 28 shall remain stayed. So against those colleges cleared by the committee, not the committee report, the orders of this honorable court have been stayed. After that, my lord, page 53, my lord, same order. My lord, pending further consideration, the effect and operation and judgment and order of 27/9/22 and 28/9/22 in WP so and so and same orders in WP itna presently under challenge and connected matters insofar as the colleges cleared by the committee shall remain state. So the impugned orders directed inquiry of CBI against all. Insofar as the colleges cleared by the committee. So the impugned order, the statutory committee. So the, the impugned orders, I'll read that again. Pending, the effect and operation of order of 27 now.
And it was.
The effect and operation is, in my respectful submission, reading the entire 4 lines, the impugned orders are 27. The effect and operation of the order is, CBI inquiry. That is one aspect.
Now
That is one aspect. Now this. No, page 54.
And these are also.
Page 50. Page 54.
And these were also on only on infrastructural basis, my lord. Duplicate faculty, there is no probe, no investigation. Migrant faculty, there is no probe, no investigation by any committee, not even by the CBI. That's what we wanted, my lord. All colleges should be, because, my lord, 2,000 plus duplicate faculties, my lord. It's a huge, huge number. Duplicate principals are there, my lord.
My lord, just have a look at.
Second, there are 2 categories, One is the committee, the Supreme Court. And the second is the High Court order. Yes, Yes, yes. So, at report is, report was given in sealed cover at page 53, opened in the court. Court records from the report that 75 colleges have been cleared by the committee. That is not stayed, Kindly appreciate, there are 2 things, What matter when, this order is 27 July. This order was never in Supreme Court. What was stayed by the Supreme Court was 27/9/22 order, by which CBI inquiry was directed against all. And
that's only
infrastructure.
These
are 2 categories, in my respectful,
what about retrospective
in my respectful submission, now coming to coming to that, then can I, then can I, now, coming to CBI facts, there are 670 colleges which include nursing and G&M other courses, Nursing colleges are 364. CBI direction was issued, on 28/9/22, exactly 1 year ago. Till now, they have inspected 140 colleges, which is there in the order sheet of July, 23. From July till date, they have inspected only 4 colleges in 2.5 months and 4 colleges of REWA. At this pace, CBI will take at least 3 years, and for the previous 2-3 years and future 2-3 years, for 6 years, there will be no nurses in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Out of these, there would be 10, 20, 30, 50%, 40% colleges which need to be shut down. I take it
rather than having quacks. Rather than having
my
quacks,
respectful submission is,
we don't have
looking at the figures, what CBI has done till now. In last more than 2 months, 4 colleges inspected. So, I'm praying for 2 aspects, One, my lord, the colleges cleared by committee in respect of which inquiry is stayed by the Supreme Court, my lord, that is one. Second, as recorded in the order of the Honorable Court, after perusing the opening the sealed cover of CBI, 75 colleges cleared by vote. So these are about 125 colleges which are cleared, my lord. There is no inquiry against them as of now. That is one aspect, my lord. Second, my lord, going by this space, now they have declared a 0 year for this year, my lord. It is not only declaration of the past result. Now, the last dates of admissions is 30th of September. Now, government is not permitting admissions even for the coming sessions, even for those colleges which are cleared by CBI and by the committee. So ultimately, my lord, we have to maintain an infrastructure. We have to maintain staff. With 0 year, this is virtually killing the entire education system of medical education. So my respectful prayer on this IA, my lord, is Lordship may kindly pass some orders, my lord, for permitting the past examination of the past years, my lord, which was stayed, my lord, in respect of only two categories, my lord, where CBI has cleared and the Supreme Court has stayed inquiry, my lord. My lord, that is 11911 of 23, my lord. My lord, I'm requesting, my lord. Very well, my lord. Very well, my lord. But looking to the concern, my lord, their concern appears to be genuine on the face of it, my lord. But shutting down the entire education system of the state of Madhya Pradesh is no solution. No. We have suffered, my lord. We have suffered, my lord. My lord, we have suffered, but not 100. My lord, submission respectful is, my lord, not 100%, my lord. There would be some which are genuine, my lord. My lord, I can not repeat my prayer, my lord. My lord, that is.
No, my lord, there is a small, humble reply.
My lord, while intervention, my lord, there is a prayer also, my lord.
364, admittedly, there are 364 colleges, my lord. Recently, the Director of Medical Education says 284 colleges out of 360 have got migrant faculties and 227 colleges have got duplicate faculties, my lord. And this aspect was never taken into consideration or probed into either by CBI or by the committee. They were only looking into infrastructure purpose, my lord. And what about retrospective admissions that were given to them? 2 years, there were no years, no affiliation. They intook the students, they kept the students waiting, and now they want these students to get cleared up, my lord, without studies, without classes, and without affiliation.
My lord, along with the prayer, my lord, which I'm making, my lord. Lordship may kindly consider simultaneously, my lord. That's all I can pray, my lord. I can see the technicality, my lord. I can only pray, Lordship may consider this IA. While allowing this IA for implement, my lord, consider my prayer, my lord.
My lord, I have.
Yes, my lord.
College with him.
Prayer in that implement, my lord.
There is one paper which is essential.
My lord.
The principal, my lord, is working in 10 other colleges as a principal as well. This is the condition. Mr. James is principal.
Inspection, my lord. Yes.
My lord, my two issues, my lord, migrant and my lord, which is
One 3040.
हमारा कॉलेज में है तो तुम बड़ा साउथ में जाना सब नोटिफिकेशन कॉलेज
They may approach the state government and will cooperate.
Yes, please. Constable also.
Well,
Period of 3 months. Uh, 170 colleges.
No, in all Milord there are 364.
Well, I-
Three. Milord, 284 colleges admittedly which have migrant faculties, which is impermissible. Migrant faculties, Milord, which are impermissible. And 284 colleges have been found having migrant faculties and
Migrant and
and duplicate faculties, Milord. Faculties as already identified by Director Medical Education, Milord. Migrant and duplicate faculties as well.
Well, it's just because what senior argues that certain colleges were cleared. May I draw your lordship's attention to or no, I'm not saying that, I'm not calling for any interference. Because there was a,
Post
we are
that,
not
my lord, their principal is principal in 10 other colleges.
this document we have, the college,
And
the
they stand
college
cleared, they
went to
say.
Supreme Court, said don't inquire into my college, but CBI, there should be no CBI inquiry into my college. This is
He is the
11
11th
other
principal.
colleges he is working.
My lord.
This document we
in
have.
fact, the direction is,
These are the
my lord,
colleges, my lord.
that direction initial is CBI will
Mr.
inquire into
James
the nursing
Thomas-
council and the university.
Mr.
Colleges come later on, my lord. So
Mr.
there is
James-
nothing being done against them, my lord. They are
Mr.
happy,
James
enjoying.
Thomas is a principal of nursing college in as much as 11. He's assistant professor in one, lecturer in one another college.
Somebody,
Such
my lord,
only person, my lord, yes. That's
In
my
Gwalior.
lord, this petitioner has special affinity, my lord. My lord,
that's what I was trying.
I
my
have a
lord,
second
the way petitioner is picking and choosing, my lord, one,
No, no,
this, these
Yeah,
are local
against
colleges of
everybody.
Gwalior, my lord. The lordship knows, my lord.
We want the entire Madhya Pradesh to be probed on this issue.
All
my lord.
sponsored, my lord.
My lord.
Not
No,
all.
my lord, we've also carried out inspection, we've prepared a report also. My lord, that's right. My lord, that was there, that the situation was. That was the situation, my lord. Please,
I have a very humble second submission.
Inspections. my lord.
Inspections.
Renewals.
Renewals. That's it. That was in the past, my lord, but once
No,
my lord,
we'll-
cognizance was taken, then. Yes.
I have a second.
In fact, that is the order directing CBI inquiry, that the role of these two bodies, the university and the council, that has to be inquired first. But that is the order.
And they stalled it.
Yes, obviously the beneficiaries would be the colleges, my lord. If my lord, there are colleges, my lord, few percentage, my lord, I can't say how many. There are 10, 20, 25%, my lord, which do not fulfill.
No, 284 out of 360. It is 80% colleges.
State.
I leave it to your lordship, my lord, but
I have.
my prayer
24
was, my
college
lord,
out of
at least
360. Is it
in,
20%?
at least in phases, my lord. At least in, because I have shown the figures. My lord,
What?
1 year they have inspected 1/3. Last 2 months, 4 colleges of Riva. My information is not incorrect. 2 months, 4 colleges. My lord, 200 plus colleges remain. In 3 months, 90 days, in different districts, they'll have to find out where it is.
This is the college of their DME, Your Honor. This is the college of their DME running for 7 years in 2,000 square feet flat. Their own DME. We'll go. Why not, my lord?
DM is Director Medical Education.
Yes, this is the college of your DME.
Not my
2,000
DME.
he's running
It is,
DM.
it is Mr. Rupra's DME, my lord.
My lord, my petition would also like to accompany, my lord. He'll show you what things are, my lord. Investigation.
I have a submission to make. My lord, state government should come up with a plan that how they will transfer the students and what steps they will.
When
meanwhile, they
everything
should
is
come-
closed, there is nobody to transfer, nowhere to transfer.
These are students who have
colleges-
studied,
The,
my
my
lord.
lord, for next 5
No
years,
faculty, no affiliation.
It's not that whether they have studied or not. Question is, some of them have passed. Some of them have passed 2 years. Now their final year examination is done. What those students will do?
you allow them to, some
No,
colleges to be
no.
recognized. That is the problem.
As your lordship.
As of now, my lord, every college is same, my lord.
Yeah, it is good that it should happen. Otherwise, degrees granted in Madhya Pradesh will be thrown into dustbin
See,
because of you people.
My friend is seeking transfer of those students to some colleges, but which colleges? That is what I am pointing out. There are colleges which should be allowed. This is what my friend is also saying. He transfer them to some colleges. अब क्या? अब तो कोई कॉलेज ही नहीं है तो क्या सीट एनहांसमेंट
नहीं, नहीं। हैं,
लॉर्ड
सारे नहीं गए।
देयर इज 0 हियर yes it
No, no.
मिलॉट विद 0 हियर क्या रिडक्शन 0 हियर में काहे की
पुरानी भी 2 0 years.
23.2.
बचा हुआ है उसको बैलेंस
Your Lordship, in 23.2, respondent number 2, that is MPMSU, was directed to submit reply, but they have not submitted yet.
May I make a prayer, Lordship? In item number 1, Lordship, I have filed an application for intervention on behalf of a couple of students because they are the biggest sufferers in the entire controversy. They are just pursuing their courses for. I apologize. Lordship. Because what is happening, Lordship, they don't belong from any background. They were not born in purple. They are students from the humble backgrounds. They are awaiting their exam for past 3 years. They took admission assuming that the college is working fine. They don't have any control over the mechanism. They don't have any control over the college.
They took admissions in colleges which were not affiliated.
Nursing council.
They got affiliated in January, February. They were ready to go undergo the examinations.
My only submission is my intervention may kindly be allowed so that I may bring my submission.
We'll file a reply to that, my lord.
Lodge. And there is a matter listed at 23.56, Lordship. In this case, I am praying for the withdrawal of the petition. The petition pertains, the petitioner prayed for enhancement of seats, but no, the enhancement was decreased. I prayed for the enhancement, but I don't want to pursue it anymore. I am praying for the withdrawal. Lordship.
Yes, we would comment after the CBI inquiry, my lord, as my lord came from my lord. After the CBI inquiry was conducted, will we file reply in all the matters, detailed reply of all the matters. No, my lord, it is up to the CBI to conduct. After that is completed, we file a detailed.
In fact, Lordship, in 2018, new set of rules are framed for the nursing colleges. After that, all this started.
Lordship, appearing in 23.8, no objection. Much.